Hey guys, welcome back to our channel here at the Paid Review. Today we're going to be recovering how to get into SafeMars and SafeMoon as we have simplified our old system into a much more efficient method. This method is simply going to just require you to have a Binance .us account and a Trust wallet. So let's not hold up any time here. We're going to jump right into it. So you're going to go ahead and go to Binance.us. If you go to Binance.com, you won't be able to get in as it's not available in the United States. I'm just simply for the time's sake going to log in as I've already registered my account. Okay, and now that we're in our account, we can go ahead and jump right into how to get yourself verified, which is going to be your first step. So you're just going to hit this drop down menu and go to settings and switch over to your basic info. And right here is going to allow you to upload your personal information for your verification. They state that they take under an hour typically to run it. I'm personally over an hour and still pending verification, so I'm not going to be able to give you an affirmative timeline on how long it's going to take. But you're going to want to come here, get your account verified. After you're verified, you want to add your payment manager or add your payment method. You can use I believe you can use a wire transfer, your bank, and a debit card. Potentially PayPal, I'm not 100% sure. Um, so now we need to download the Trust Wallet app and get you registered. So you need to download the Trust Wallet app, register your phone number, and save your phrase. If you lose that phrase, you'll lose access to your account. So I cannot express this enough. Make sure you save that phrase, screenshot it, save it in file, whatever you want, just save it. Once you're in your Trust Wallet app, you're going to go to the home page on the wallet. At the top right is a filter button. You want to filter for BNB. Again, that is BNB, and hit the Smart Chain BNB and the regular BNB filter. Turn them both on. Hit done. Open up that BNB, the regular BNB, which is the orange background with the white logo, and hit receive. Copy this address right here, and you're going to paste it right here. And then you're going to hit the max button right here. Once you've done that, you're just going to hit submit. It does occasionally send an email out to you to have you verify through, so just make sure you have your email open and are checking it just in case it does. I believe it will send you an alert as well. But once you've submitted the withdrawal, you're going to wait for it to clear into your Trust Wallet app. On the Trust Wallet app, you tap the orange background that has the BNB when your balance loads. You need to hit the blue button that says more on the far right once you've tapped the BNB, and once you've tapped more, you're going to hit swap to Smart Chain. After you've swapped to Smart Chain, you're all set to go. After you've done that, all you want to do is go to PancakeSwap or SafeMarsCrypto.com, whichever one you're going for. Um, and you're going to unlock your wallet. So you're going to hit Unlock Wallet, hit Wallet Connect. It's going to pop up with a QR code. Should pop up with a QR code right on here. There we go. And on your phone, all you've got to do is on the Trust Wallet app, you got to go to your settings, hit the button that says Wallet Connect, scan this QR code. It's going to pop up a box asking for you to connect or asking for permission to connect to the website. Sometimes it does just take a minute to load, so I'll wait for mine to load here and skip to that. Oh, okay, and my wallet is now connected. Once you've connected your wallet and you want to keep your phone open, do not close your phone, do not leave the app or anything. If you do so, it'll end your session and you'll have to, if you're on your desktop doing this, you'll have to clear your browsing history, is the only thing I found. Otherwise, the app and the website just don't work and it goes on like a weird spree. I tried refreshing the page. Sometimes it works. The one I know for sure is just clear the browsing history. However, once you have connected your wallet, you're going to see that you'll have your balances are showing. Um, Yours will look like this. I had mine flipped from earlier. Um, but you're going to see your BNB balance right here. All you have to do is hit max. It's going to put whatever amount of BNB you have here, and it's going to show you how much SafeMars you're going to, for sake of time, let me just add that little amount. It'll look just like this. So you have a network fee, and then you're going to hit swap. You would then confirm the swap on or hit the confirm swap, and on that's why I was saying from earlier, when you don't close your Trust Wallet app, because right now you're gonna have a thing that is telling you to confirm it on your app. Once it's confirmed, it's going to say verification success. Mine's not going to succeed right now because I don't have extra BNB to push it through. You need to have BNB in order to, but yours is already going to be transferred in BNB, so it'll just deduct the fee from it, so you don't have to worry about that. And then once you've done that, you'll successfully have purchased SafeMars or SafeMoon. And that's the system right there. And if you guys have any other questions in regards to this system, if you're a part of our community, feel free to reach out to us in our Discord server. If you're not, feel free to go ahead and click the link in our bio on Instagram and go to Patreon. Feel free to subscribe there, and you'll have access to our entire team. We're open 24/7 pretty much, so just feel free to drop your questions wherever, and we'll get to you guys as soon as we can. Other than that, that'll be the end of this tutorial on how to get into SafeMars. And like I said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments. Or jump into our Patreon and holler at us in our Discord community. We'd love to see you.